to tell you everything you'd possibly want to know about this office chair right over here. It was super easy to put together, which I particularly like. It is by FlexiKing. It does have adjustable height. The one part I like about this a ton is it was super easy to assemble. This is exactly what it looks like right over here. So this is what your bottom is going to look like right over here. It has these nice rubber wheels, so it just slides really easily. You don't have to worry about it scratching the floor or anything like that. We do have lumbar support in the back over here that could be adjusted. You'll see there's two adjustations right down over here, so you can move it however you want it. This is a mesh back chair, and mesh over here as well. A lot of people always want to know, do the armrests go up? They actually do go up. So if you wanted to sit down on the chair without armrests, I know a lot of people like to cross their legs and sit like that. You could easily do that. It's 25 by 25 by 40. You could support up to 300 pounds. So now we're going to take a look. How do you adjust this? So we have the handle right over here. So you go up, down, and you could even lock this. So you can see here, it's locked right now. It's not going back. If you want it to unlock it, you're just going to pull that, and now it starts to go back. This, to get this to go, you're just going to pull this up. It's going to go up this 40 inches high, and it's 25 by 25 by 40. Really like this a lot right over here. I could see using this as a gaming chair as well. This is kind of what it looks like right over here, armless. These arms could also be removed if you didn't want any arms on this at all, which a lot of chairs don't do, and is a nice feature. You can see here, this is kind of the lean back. You can see I'm right here. This is how much it kind of leans back right over here. And then if you wanted to lock it, you're just going to push it in, and now it's not going back at all. Again, it holds up to 300 pounds. It's really, really comfortable, I have to say. One of the things I like about the chair in particular is this right over here, this kind of mesh right over here. It's like putting your arms on cushions. It's very, I don't know, just feels nice. Like my arms are not going to stick to this. I do like how the chair is also tight as well. So this is kind of, also this is a adjustable desk right over here. So I don't have to really worry a ton about the height, but this is kind of a normal sized desk right over here. You'll see right here, this is how low it is at its lowest setting. If you want it to, this is going to be its highest setting right over here. So you'll see it will go under that desk pretty easily, which is nice. And this was super easy to set up. All the pieces came, you had extra parts. You also get extra, all the tools you need. It comes with an Allen wrench. I was able to put this together in about 5 minutes. So I absolutely love this chair. I'm using this one in my office. This is kind of my desk right over here. I've tried a lot of different chairs, and this one just has that right mix of functionality. And I'm kind of a simple person, so a chair just like this is perfect for me. So if you're looking for a great office chair that rotates all the way around, just like that, can be adjusted in height, is easy to put together, rolls smoothly, doesn't do anything bad to the floor or anything like that, has that lumbar support in the back, and is easy to put together, can hold up to 300 pounds. Definitely check this one out, and a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this video.